All right, so we're going to practice dividing by a decimal. So remember, whenever we're dividing by a decimal, we're going to use this riddle. You're going to slide your decimal blank to the door. You're going to go inside and slide blank more. Remember, they should be the same exact number. Remember, what you do to one, you have to do to the other. So I make this one a little bit bigger here. And so here, we want to make this number here a whole number. So I need to slide it one time to the door to get rid of it. So if I slide it one time to the door, I need to go inside, starting at the decimal, and slide one more. So I slid one, I slide one. So now you can see here, when I rewrite my problem, we have 4 as the divisor, the outside number, which should be your whole number. And I'm going to divide. And this number here, now the decimal has moved since it slid one more. It's become 5 2/10, or 5.2. All right, so now I'm going to just simply divide. So remember, once my decimal has found its place, we bring it right up and it's found its home. All right, remember, we need to divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. So we're going to divide. 4 goes into 5 one time. Okay, now we're going to multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. We now need to subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. And now we need to bring down. And now we're going to repeat the process. We're going to divide 4 into 12 this time. 4 into 12. How many 4s are in 12? So let's skip count by 4s till we get to 12. 4, 8, 12. Okay, how many times did we skip count? We skip counted 1, 2, 3. So, 3. Now that we divided, we're going to multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. We're going to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And there's nothing left to bring down, and we've zeroed out, so we are done. The answer is 1.3. All right, let's go ahead and let's look at the second problem here. Remember, we're going to use that riddle. We're going to make this outside number, the divisor, a whole number by sliding our decimal to that door. So we're going to slide the decimal to the door. So we need to slide it one time, 2 times. So we need to slide the decimal twice to the door. So now we need to go inside and slide 2 more. Now the decimal's in the very back and we need to add a 0. I'm going to rewrite it underneath so we don't have a big mess. And I'm going to rewrite 5 as my whole number. And then 7,350 on the outside. And yes, the decimal is in the back. You can leave it there if you want and pop it up if that helps you. Keeping it a routine, right? All right, now we're going to do our divide. Multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. All right, so how many 5s are in 7? Okay, there's 1 5 and 7. So I just divided. Now I'm going to multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 7 minus 5, so we're going to subtract, is 2. And now we need to bring down. And now we're going to repeat. So we're going to put 5 into 23. How many 5s are in 23? Let's skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Oops, I went too far. So if 25 is bigger than 23, I just want to skip count to 20. Let's see, how many skips is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put a 4 above the 3. I just divided. Now I'm going to multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. I now need to follow my second step, subtract, or my next step. 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. And then bring down. Oops. Okay. So I'm going to now ask, I'm going to divide how many 5s are in 35. So let's skip count. We had 5, oops, sorry. We had 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And then 35. Okay, how many skip counts? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We had 7 skip counts. So I'm going to put 7 above. And I'm going to now multiply. 5 times 7 is 35. And we subtract. Now, yes, we've zeroed out, but we still have a number, so we need to bring it down. So how many 5s are in 0? 0. Now, there's nothing else to divide into, so our final answer here is 1,470.